Your stomach is filled with acid, strong enough to dissolve metal. So why doesn't it digest itself? Inside your body, there's a constant battle happening. Every time you eat, your stomach releases a powerful acid that instantly begins breaking your food apart. But here's the scary part. That acid doesn't know the difference between food and you. So why doesn't your stomach melt? Because it has a secret defense system. Your stomach is coated in a thick layer of mucus, a slippery shield that blocks acid from ever touching the stomach walls. And beneath that shield, your cells are constantly replacing themselves faster than the acid can destroy them. It's like rebuilding a wall while it's being attacked. But if that protection fails, even for a moment, the acid starts eating through your stomach lining. That's when ulcers form and the pain can become unbearable. So right now, inside your body, your stomach isn't just digesting your food,